Momentary rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ula khyrwit da kapateng sendon ya ka boundary committee jongka ke HADC hadien ba ka labringem bantet ya ka jingkhang jongka yeng bishar ha ka baidei bat ka jingsoi MOU hapneng ka Meghalaya bat Assam ha ka kala ka banengkong habakren ha ka jingelang jongka National People's Youth Conference kabala long ha ka nigasingi balang ha soso tham auditorium ukonrat badeiru national president ka NPP uloong bagate karai banle shayeng bishar kadei karai shimet bat dkhot ka NPP kimdan bynta AA halogate.
Today there are individuals, I won't say autonomous district councils, I will say individuals who are making statements saying that they would like to go the legal course. Let me inform those individuals who are making such statements today that the NPP MDCs are not part of that statement. Let me also inform the individual who was making this statement that he was very much part of the discussion when this discussion took place. Why are you trying to now create a political situation out of this and trying to take a political damage? The individual, I'm not saying party or organization or the autonomous body, one individual, we do not appreciate this kind of double standard that is being done. When we have decided this to work together as a coalition, then every member of that coalition party should also be united in the decision that has been taken together. Political members of those parties were also present when the MOU was being signed. Ministers of that party were present out there. And I know that the party has no differences in that issue. Certain individuals have. But I must stress that our party and our MDCs and members are fully committed to the decision that has been taken by the NPP-led government.